We ordered our new toy. It came in today. So let's see what Amazon dropped off for us. My wife, she's excited about it. As you can see, she's videoing it. So I guess we'll open it up and try it out here in a few minutes. So I'm gonna show you what it is. Here is the unboxing of our new toy. We call it a hot pot. They call it's from Maples, Suki and BBQ. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it looks like. And if you would like to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. So I'm unboxing this and we're gonna try it out today. It's supposed to rain, but we'll try it out this evening. So it comes with this little handle. It screws on top of the glass cover. So the glass lid. And it's pretty simple. It's nothing to this thing. And this right here is the top that you put on the grill. So I'm gonna take all the plastic off. Like I said, this is the grill part. You want to throw some meat on top of it, some shrimp or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this cap here on the cover. It's pretty easy. It's just one screw and it's a plastic piece that go on the other side. And what you do, you just get your screwdriver and screw it on. And if you would like to purchase any of this stuff, the screwdriver, that will also be in the description also below. As you see this part right here, you want to put your water or whatever your sauces, or then that top part is for your grill. If you want to throw some shrimp or beef or anything on the top, so you can be grilling while you got a boil going. This is the instructions that comes with it. They're really simple. It's not nothing to it. So I'm gonna just take it apart, take the lid off. And right here is where you set your settings. You got your hot pot and you got the barbecue on the right. So I'm gonna put it back together. And we're gonna go in the kitchen here and start getting prepared for our boil. We're gonna give it a try out, so check it out here in a few minutes. So I'm going here in the kitchen with my wife. I see she's cutting up some onions, and we love onions. So we're gonna saute some onions, and we got some sausage there. We use party time sausage. We're gonna boil us some eggs, and we're gonna go ahead and make our special sauce. You can see we're using a lot of butter. It takes a lot of butter for this sauce. This is for your crabs and shrimp and anything else you wanna dip into it. So we got our onions sauteing. We put a little olive oil in it. Old Bay. The Old Bay, that's the season right here. That's what you want. And we're gonna put about 3 scoops of that in there. And you got your black pepper. We're gonna just put 1 tablespoon. You can put more if you like, it depends on you. At the end, you probably end up adding more stuff, so we're gonna put some crushed red peppers. I like mine spicy, but we don't want to spice it up too much, so we're just gonna put 1 tablespoon. You got your garlic. As you see, we seasoning it up really good.
Right now, I'm gonna add
Uh-oh.
Well, that's 1.5.
It's a Tabasco. You can see we like the Tabasco, but we're not gonna put too much in it. You can add more at the end if you would like. Got your Thai season, so that's that I call it chili oil, and squeeze you a lime in there. I know a lot of people like using lime, but I use about one because you can overpower it if you put too much lime into it. You add more butter, more butter, and more butter.
They use sparkles
You can see this is the type of butter we use here. Get it at HEB. So we're gonna get a snack going right here. My son, he loves these little rivets that we get from the store down the road. So we'll cook these about 3 to 4 minutes on each side at about 400 degrees. You just take them off. It's a good snack.
It's gonna be live from thing. I put that. I'm just say this is Lean Bean snack.
So in about 2-3 more minutes, we're gonna take them off and make a snack on that while we're getting everything else put together. As you can see, I got about 400 degrees. And those things are real thin, about 3/8 of an inch, so it don't take long to cook these. It's beef.
Oh, that's fine. Put it down. I don't know. Might be a big plate. Get a big plate. You get a big plate.
Okay, we're gonna get our sauce ready. This is where we're gonna boil our shrimp and stuff in and our noodles when we get outside and put it in our hot pot. So I got about 3 of these. You can add a little bit more seasoning, which we do. I love Tony's, and we add a little garlic salt in it. We got our sausage, and we just pre-boiling these a little bit, not long, about a minute or two. Our crabs, we got some lobsters in there. Here we go. As you see, we got our shrimp, we got some mussels, and we got crabs and shrimp, and we got some lamb over there in the corner, and we got some beef, and we got our special season we putting in our cup. So everybody's ready to dig in. It's our first time using this thing. We're gonna see how it go. We got some boiled eggs also, potatoes, and noodles. We're just gonna have a feast today. You see a few flies, but it ain't too bad out here. It rained a little bit before we started, so it cooled off a lot. So as you see the lamb, and we also got spinach and cabbage. We got a whole meal. So we just gonna sit out here and just enjoy ourselves today and just take it easy. Have me a cold beer. My wife got some wine. And you see everybody sitting around and just cooking and having a good time. I think the next time we do it, it'll be just me and my wife. You can see we spent almost $300 for this meal. But it was worth every penny. As you see the barbecue on the top, we dip it in the water and let it boil for about a minute or two and just throw it on the top. And watch other videos on my channel. I got how to cook turkey legs and my food truck events that we go to on our food trucks. And we just have a variety of things here on my website or on our YouTube channel. It's called Welding and Stuff. So you can go to our channel. You can see how-to videos, also videos on welding, also restaurants we have eaten at. And we have eaten at a lot of restaurants. On my channel, we got about 35 or 40 different restaurants we just do a few reviews on. We boil crawfish and call family over. Like you said, you work hard, play harder. So thanks for watching our channel and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. And this is once we finish and done, we take us a vacation, just relax. Thank you.